Hey Cubs, it's Lynxy and welcome to Songbird Symphony. So this is just the demo. I figured, you know what, let's check it out, see what it is. I have been watching its, not its creation, but I've been watching it for a little while now, about 2 months? 2 or 3 months? Ooh. It's a song, so it's actually a rhythm game, and everything you need to know is down below. Okay. Oh gosh. Boop, boop. There we go. Okay. Huh? What was that? Thought I heard something. Was it just my imagination? Okay, I can get used to this little kinda. There it is again. Something's responding to my singing. I'm sure of it. Let's try singing some more. Maybe I can find it. Oh, are we an egg? Oh, we're a little baby bird. Oh my gosh. Whoops. We opened. Hello. Oh, it's raining. Oh, jeez. Oh no. Hi, buddy. Oh. This is so dang cute already. Oh, same. Oh my god. Look at his little butt. This is adorable. Good morning, Uncle P. Uncle P? Where are you? Why is there music coming from over there? This music? I like it. I want to go see where it's coming from. Look at how ready this baby is. Just always so happy. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're so gosh dang cute. Oh my goodness. This is beyond adorable. Uncle P's smooth moves. Just woke up to a lovely day, but Uncle P is missing. Maybe he's at the usual place, the far end of Green Meadows to the east. I think that's where the music's coming from. Okay. Look at him. Oh my gosh. He's so excited. You're such a happy bee. A squirrel. Oh my gosh. If this is not like the cutest thing I've ever seen, I really don't know what is. Look at him, little feet. Oh my gosh. Whoa, what's that? You just got a whole lot of honeybees. Oh, but they don't like water. Oh, yes they do. Oh, it's a queen bee. Oh my goodness. Did we do something? I don't know if we did something, but I'm loving it. Hello. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. I don't know what the heck we're doing, and I don't know why. I'm just so happy. Oh, look at the push the little thing over. Oh, nice. We got another little note. Oh my gosh. Why is it so gosh dang cute? Hello, fishy. Whee! Don't you want to play with me, Mr. Fish? Kid, breathe. Uh-oh. I gotcha. Are you still spooked? Oh, yep. He's still spooked. I guess Mr. Fish doesn't want to play with us. Whee! How are you today, little snail? Uh-oh. I don't think that, a strange looking feather and a conveniently placed book. Maybe I should try to find who this belongs to. I know, I'll take note about it in this book so I don't forget. Nice. That's a very, very good idea. What is your name, little friend? I don't know yet. Ooh, I wonder if we can, like, bring... Oh, sorry, Mr. Fishy. What happens if you kill him? Do you think you could? Or will he just flop around, like, forever? So far, looking like he'll just flop. There you go, friend. I'm trying to stick it in there. I wonder if there's somewhere else that we can go in that we haven't been yet. Oh, are we supposed to help the snail over here? Oh no! And I've gone and ruined it. Oh. Now I just feel bad. Oh, look at this little turtle mushroom. Hello. Oh, I spooked you. Hey. Hello, little butterfly. What is this? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, this is just a saving. Okay, let's just save. Oh no, what if our little snail friend is just like stuck over there forever? I feel like we're supposed to definitely bring the snail over here because there's this big rock thing. But I just kind of kicked the snail. Oh, hello friend. You are ginormous. What a big friend you are. That looks like it's a long way down. I'll be able to glide across. Oh yeah. Yay! Look at them. Oh my god, look at them jamming. Heck yeah. Whee! Oh, so that's what this side was gonna do. Boink, 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 boink. Oh my gosh. Hello! Oh. Look at you, friend. Oh my gosh, this is so happy. Hello. Hey, look, it's him. Shh, don't be rude. What? He looks so weird. I'm not weird. Don't say that. He's just different. I don't know what P was thinking. Shh, he might hear us. Oh. No, it's okay, baby. Don't worry about them. Somebody's gonna go and eat them later. Oh my god. Hello. Hi, P. You know what? P reminds me of those birds in oh gosh, what is that game? They stick their heads out of the ground and they eat the little thingies. They're like little alien people and like you're saving them and it's about like cleaning up the earth. Oh, Pikmin. There we go. It looks like the thing that eats a Pikmin. What are you doing? Good morning, Birb. You're up early today. I was just practicing my smooth moves. Smooth moves? Yes, my smooth moves. My boogie woogie. My fancy footwork. My dance. Wow, sounds fun. Oh, sounds like someone's interested. Want me to teach you some of Uncle P's smooth moves? Yes, please. Alright, let's go. Oh my gosh. Before we start, you'll need to know what to do. First, listen to my voice. Now it's your turn. Whoa. Oh no, let's try again. I wasn't ready, Uncle P. There we go. Okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting it, alright? It's just all of a sudden. It's super sudden. And... there we go. There we go. Oh my god, look at me. I didn't know what you said. Oh, Lord. Oh my god, great job. Now let's begin the actual lesson. Oh no. Oh my god, look at that butt. Dang, Uncle P. Alright. The thickness. Shoo. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I don't know any of the notes here, but this is fine. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at Uncle P. Oh my god. Let's shake those tail feathers. Yes. Whoops. I might have messed up. I was so enjoying it so much. Whoops. No, wait, don't get tougher. Hold on. Uncle P, I don't actually hear anything. Oh, syncopated beats are not my favorite thing. Oh, I didn't know it was my turn. Oh my gosh, Uncle P, please. Oh, look, I'm working on it. Ah! Look at him, he's so happy. Oh, okay, we got an A. Hey, not that bad. Yay, now I can dance like you. You've got potential, son. When you grow up, you'll woo the tail feathers off any female that comes by. Wow, will I look like you when I grow up too? Uncle P? Oh, son, let's not worry about that. There's more important things to worry about. Like breakfast. Come on, let's go get some. Okay, Uncle P, but you go ahead first. I want to practice just a little bit more. Nice to see you so enthusiastic. Don't be long now. Uncle P didn't answer my question. Am I really a peacock? What am I? I know. Uncle P always said the owl is the smartest bird in the forest. Maybe he'll know. I'll find him and ask him. Oh, this is so gosh dang cute. The owl's opera? I'm going to find the owl and ask him about my species. I think his house is at the top of the tallest tree in the Forest of Echoes to the east of Green Meadows. I heard that the tree is so tall you need an elevator to reach the top. Oh no, we don't need to replay. But not bad. Oh, Uncle Pete dropped his feather. Maybe I'll hold on to it. I might not be back for a while. Aww. Poor Birb. He just wants to fit in. Oh my goodness. Well, we might have to end it off here, and I'll probably do a couple more episodes for Test It Out Tuesday, just till we finish the demo. So thank y'all so much for joining me. Remember, everything is in the description, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys!